Hello everyone, it's Esosa here. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are making delicious chicken stir fry spaghetti. This is one recipe that you can easily whip up. Like in less than 2 hours, you are done cooking. You don't get to spend all day in the kitchen. So that being said, let's get right into the video. First, pour some vegetable oil in a pan. Some chopped onions. Saute for 5 minutes. Add seasoning cube. Fresh chopped ginger. Fresh chopped garlic. Add some sliced red bell peppers. Green bell peppers. And yellow bell peppers. Stir fry on a low heat just so your veggies doesn't get burnt. If you noticed, guys, I didn't add salt because I'm going to parboil the spaghetti with some salt. Personally, I like my veggies a bit crunchy, hence I won't stir fry for long. So I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. I'm going to be stir frying my chicken breast. Add seasoning cube. Some curry powder. Some black pepper. Stir fry for 15 minutes. Next, we are going to parboil the spaghetti. Pour some vegetable oil, add some salt, and then add the spaghetti. Parboil for 15 minutes. Pour some chicken broth in a pan. Bring it to a boil. Add the spaghetti. Allow to cook for 5 minutes. Add the veggies. Next, chicken. Give it a good stir. Look at that, guys. Looks so yummy and colorful. Stir-fry spaghetti is ready. Absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Guys, thank you. Bye.